Okay, in this video what we're going to be doing is working on patching this hole right here. Now, this was a hole here that was cut wrongly because the homeowner thought that a cable was going to come through here because we had to snake it from up there, and it actually came out here. So this, we need to patch this. Now, we still have the piece of drywall that was cut out of there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this as a template, and what we're going to do is make a California patch. So what you want to do first is just use your snap away blade here, just to kind of like clean out this. Like there's a rough edge here that I'm going to use to just cut that out there, and that comb comes out right there. There's some rough here, so I'm cutting in on like a 45-degree angle there, so that's going to take that away. And this looks fine here. Kind of shave down that, and this right here, I'll just do that and take away that there. Okay, now it's important to blow the dust away from here, because when we go to put the mud in there, we want the mud to cling right to the side of it here. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to come over here, and I'm going to use this as a template to create a new patch here. Now I have a piece of drywall here, okay, and you can see how small the template is to here. So this is the front of the drywall, and this is the back of it. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on the backhand side of it. So I'm going to put this down here, and I'm going to take my template here, and I'm going to put it down here. Now what I want to do is I want to put it here in like a right angle corner, so that's cut and like that's cut. And I want to leave like an inch along the left hand side, the top, the right, and the back side, because this is going to act as the tape. So I have like an inch here, an inch here. So what I'm going to do is with my knife here, I'm just going to come over an inch here and drag it down there. Okay, so I'm going to turn this over here and do that there, and with my knife I'm just going to score it down the middle there. Okay, so that gives me this piece here. So I'm going to put this back up here. We have an inch on all sides but one here. So I'm just going to, so there's like an inch is like right here. So I'm going to come up here and score it down there. Okay, so I'm just going to break this off here. Okay, so now we have an inch on all four sides there. Now I'm going to take my colored pencil here and make sure this is towards this way here, because this is the face, so you want the face down. So, and then we're just going to draw around this here. Okay, so that's what it looks like there. Now, with my knife here, now since I used the knife to kind of shave away some of the inside lines right there, I want to cut probably right on the line or just outside of it. But if I didn't do that and there was no space that was in between there, then cut inside of the line. So I'm just going to go kind of like right down the middle of it there. Okay, and now I'm going to come over here and come down this one here. Okay, so it's going to score it like that there. I'm going to break apart this side here. Break apart this side here. And I'm pulling all the sheetrock out of it, but I'm leaving the face of the paper there, so that takes care of those two sides. Now I'm going to do this one here and this one here. Okay, so that's what it looks like there. And now when you put it up to the wall here, this is going to fit in there just like that. and then we have the tape there. Okay, now it's kind of like, it fits just perfectly in there, but I think that I just want to take away just some of the top here. And that fits in a lot better there. Okay, so we're going to put this down here, and now what we're going to do to speed up the process of the drying time here is we're going to mix up some quick set mud. And we're going to make a mud pie here. So I'm just going to grab some all-purpose joint compost here. And put this here and make a donut there. And just put this there. That goes back in there. And now I have Plaster of Paris here, and I have water here, so I'm just going to add the water to the center here. And then I'm just going to pour the Plaster of Paris in the middle of it here. Okay, now the water, we're just going to wait here for the water so that it turns all of this white powder to gray, and as you can see, it's starting to do it right over here. So we're just going to give this a few seconds to dry out here. Now, again, this is called the California patch, and it's great because you can just take a piece of drywall and cut it out, and you still have the paper tape on the sides, and it just fits right in the slot there. There's a few